Hello, welcome to another vlog. I am obviously on a minibus and we're off to basically a deserted island. I don't know if it's deserted, but an island in the sea, and we're off. We're trying to get out of the place, and we're off to an island. Should be fun. We're on the main boat, as you can see. There's 3 stories to the old thing. The sea, it's a bit rough today. There's lots of wind. We're meant to be going snorkeling. It's the size of the waves. I don't know if he's picking it up. It's a vibe. People, this is sick, man. We're in the Red Sea. So yeah, we got about 1 hour on this boat and we're going to an island. When we reach the island, there's the blasting music here. When we reach the island, I get the camera back out. But so far so good. I paid £20 for this, for both of us, £10 each. Oh, that's just a dolphin, people, look. Dolphin in the water. That is so sick. We're on the top bit of the boat. This is beautiful, man. I don't know how far we are, to be fair. I think we've still got like half an hour. The water's so blue. We've just reached an island. I don't know if it's the one we're stopping at, but this is Paradise, it's called. This is a little island in the sea, in the Red Sea. That's the vibe. Look how clear that water is, man. About to go in, people. Hello, you yes, excuse me. Hello. 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 the island now. We're just gonna try and find the toilet. This is the island, people. We're just waiting for food at the minute, but it is beautiful. I'm starving, man. The only thing I'm looking forward to right now is food. It's the only thing I can think of. The food just came. I had fish, rice and vegetables. Not for tourists, man. I don't like the vibe, not gonna lie. Everything else good. We're just going for one last stroll and munch down the food. That's where they prepare it, I think. That's the little bar. Everything's in euro price, it's super expensive here. Can I look up here? I don't know if that's desert people, I don't know if we're allowed past this point.
I don't think so. I think that's part of the other, that's part of a different line.
That's part of like a different bit. There's this over here. Have a look. Yeah? Hula Hula. The island we're on is called Hula Hula. So we're gonna go have a look. I don't know what if there's gonna be a view up here. Let's have a look, people. No, it's not, it's just desert. It's like a pretty much a deserted island, as you can see. Like, it's all built up here for the tourists, but there is just empty sand. So yeah, it's been a beautiful day. The boat was amazing, and yeah, I'm loving it, man. I don't know what there is to say. The wife wants some cotton candy, so we've got to try and find some of that. But yeah, man, this is where we are. Hula Hula! Allahu Akbar! Hula 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 Hula. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's go find some cotton candy. We got like half an hour left, and then we gotta jump back on a little boat, get the little boat back to the big boat. So I spent, like I said earlier, £20 total. It was £10 each. This is well worth the money. That food was for free. They've been handing out drinks for free as well. Best 20 quid I've spent, man. That's for two of us. Otherwise it would have been a tenner. Alhamdulillah. Let's try find some cotton candy. Thank you.
Watermelon, you have any problem? No problem. All good? And this is good?
Yes.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Anytime.
Right, we're on the big boat now, and I think we're gonna go back. What a beautiful day. Right, we've just stopped off the coach. We're finally back to the apartment. What a day today has been, man. I tried to film as much as I could, but there was a lot of tourists, a lot of them. I don't know if you can see me, it's very dark. Absolute beautiful day. Well worth the money, man. The whole of today is 20 quid. Which is well worth it. Best 20 quid I've personally spent.
No, it's really good.
Yeah. So yeah, I don't know when the next vlog will be or what we'll be doing. But until next time, people, cheerio.